Hello guys and hello everybody. So today I'm going to talk about a new project called Bookrest. It is like a library management application where it manages every books and manages registered students, and it displays the dashboard which students are borrowed a book and when they will return the books and everything that it manages and displays in dashboard. This is a quick and small application of library management. It contains a login module and dashboard module and register students and books modules and summary modules. So before I'm going to this video, I'm going to introduce myself, and my name is Udaya Kumar, a software developer. If you need any projects or any inbuilt business projects, so you may contact us through mail, which is in description, and contact number. So message me, don't need to call me. Let's go into the application. As usual, we had seen a login screen. It contains a username and password fields which validations. So by entering admin username and password, the user can redirect to the dashboard screen by clicking the submit button. After user redirects to the dashboard screen, you can see the list of student details where this student borrowed this book and this student department CSE belongs to this department, and when the student or he or she return the book and return date will be displayed in the summary screen. So you can see the two modules called entry books and entry students, and another called the list of students and the list of books. So these four modules you can see. Entry book contains a book name, so branch name and author name and entry date. Okay, while entering books in this section, you can see the book details in entry student section. Okay, so book name I am giving a test book, and branch name I am giving a CSE, so for example, author name I am giving a UK. So entry date is nothing but when the book had been come to the library, that is called the entry date. After finishing every details and credentials, I clicking submit, you can see the success message called book had been entered successfully. So this is the one type and another is called entry students. The entry students is nothing but, so you need to enter the student which borrowed the book. The details and credentials you can see here. So book name, you can see the list of books. It is nothing but the entered or registered books that is listing in this book name session. Okay, so every book name had been registered. So department name CSE have been entered. Student name I am giving for example UK, and another is called UK. It's enough. Okay, so another is called current year, when the student is going to purchase or when he joined, that's called current year. So after this issue date, when the student had borrowed this book, and that is called return date, when they will return the book. So these are the fields. So note that you need to enter all the fields and click submit button. If you left any field, the error will be left out. The book student will not be registered. Okay, you can see the success message called students had been registered. You can see the fields are empty also, you can see. So credentials and every validations are set up in this register students. Okay, so you can see the list of books which contains a registered books. You can delete by clicking the delete button. A book name and branch name and entry date when the book had been entered to this library. Every details you can see. If you no need this book, you can delete by clicking the delete button. So sort option and pack notations are keeping in this table. You can see by sort by this book name. Okay, so another field is called student details. So student details, you can see the student name and student which department belongs to and when the student have been entered. So every details and credentials are listed in the student, and every details and credentials are listed in the book session and student session. Okay, so another is called, if you need to delete anyone or any student, you can press the delete button. So summary button, dashboard, you can see the book name and department name, so which student borrowed which book and when they will return. So these are the details you can see in the summary session. You can see, so for example, book student name is UK and another book is he borrowed a test book, and department is CSE. When he will return, you can see the date called 5/8 something example I mean. If you need to delete this student, you can click delete button and delete this from this session also. Before the student had been returned the book, you can delete using the delete button. Okay, you can see the two modules, another two module called change password and logout. If you need to change the password for the admin user, you can change through this module, or you need no need, it is being admin is good, you can keep it left that like. Another is called logout module. So you can click logout, a message will be shown. Do you need to log out? So if you click logout, it will redirect to the login page. So that's it. If you need this project, you can mail through the above description email, or you can see the mail in the screen, or you can contact through my number. So avoid calling, you can message. The project costs over 6 to 7k. That's it. Thank you. Bye.